Shaq, let me just begin with you really quickly on the ground, because it seemed like the defense closing argument there suddenly broke in order for the judge to take this to lunch. Do we understand if the defense has finished their closing arguments, or will they resume after this lunch break?
It certainly doesn't seem like they finished yet, Eamon. He was right in the middle of that argument, getting on the causation aspect, talking about the drugs in George Floyd's system, that part that's key to their overall case. And you saw what was described to me as pretty unusual, the judge interrupting those closing arguments to essentially let the jury have a break, let the court reporter have a break. And this is a judge that over the course of the trial has not shied away from interruptions or making sure that the court reporter and the people in the room can have that break. But it seems fairly unusual for that to happen during the actual closing argument from Mr. Nelson. But I'll also say that this is a pretty extensive closing argument that you were hearing from him. You heard him go after point by point, and you heard it there. The real crux of the defense, which is that the experts that you heard from, the medical experts, the use of force experts, that their testimony wasn't as credible, that George Floyd died from heart disease and from a drug overdose. So that's where he was getting at right now. I'm very curious, and I'll be looking as we're talking here to see if we get any actual poll reports, any reports from how the jurors were reacting to this, how they were responding and what they were listening to. We heard earlier today when the prosecution was giving their closing arguments that jurors were engaged, that they were sometimes going back to notes that they have taken previously during previous testimony and cross-referencing that with what they knew already. I'm very curious to know whether or not they were still doing that during this extensive closing argument by the defense.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.